Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to plan in my Hobonichi Weeks planner for the last week of March. So the week of March 30th to April 5th. We are getting rather thick up in here. The cover's holding up surprisingly well. I don't know if the binding will hold the entire year, but we will take it as far as we can and see where we get. I am using a kit from my shop, aprettyplanscape.com, and A Pretty Planscape on Etsy. This is called Shabby Chic, and it is up right now if you want to grab it. It is very springy and flowery and cute, which is sort of the theme I was going for when I planned my kits for this month. I just didn't think that I would be doing this in the middle of a global pandemic. Having said that, we are still healthy and hanging in there at home, so I cannot complain. Whoops. There we go. So last week, I don't even think I opened this planner once. Like literally, I don't think there's anything in it. Nope, nothing. I'll go back and back plan a little bit at some point, but honestly, like it's just, I mean, it's not like I'm going anywhere. We are staying home. We are practicing social distancing. And so there's not much to plan for in this planner right now. And that's okay. It'll be here, cute and decorated, when there is stuff to plan for. So as I film this, it's about 4:05, just 4:05 p.m., just after 4. And when my husband is done work at 5, we are going to drive up about an hour from here to drop off something at his mom and stepdad's house. We ordered a portal camera. I think it's, I don't know if it's by Facebook or Facebook has something to do with the marketing. I don't know. We found them online last weekend. It's a camera. It's supposed to be like pretty revolutionary. This camera that works with WhatsApp and I want to say Facebook Messenger. And it's got Alexa built in, so you can just say, hey Alexa, call whoever. So we got one of those, and we got one for my husband's parents. Well, they asked us to order them one as well. So we are going to go and essentially, I think, throw the camera at them because we are, of course, practicing social distancing. But I think it'll be really cool for our daughter to be able to video chat with them. And I'll use it for things like I can video chat my mom with it and that kind of thing. So it'll be fun. It's funny that we're all getting so into like Zoom meetings and messenger, like video messenger calls and things like that. It's neat to see though. Like even my grandmother, I was FaceTiming with her last weekend. She'll be 91 in June. All right, there is my decorative part down. Let me see here. Whoops. Okay. So I think I'll use this a little bit like a to-do list this week. So I think I will. I'm going to put a box on every day, I think, with my, am I? Maybe not. Maybe that's just craziness. let me just date this quickly. So we have the 30th. Almost put 32nd. Okay, not my best penmanship, but that's okay. So April 1st is my beautiful daughter's birthday. So I'm going to mark that down here, and what do I have? A present. Let's use this. Grab my tweezers here. I'll just put that there. And it is a pay. Do I have a payday? I'm sure I do, yes. What day? Wednesday is a payday for me as well. So let's mark that. But I might mark it with a little flag. That, and then payday. Okay, like that. It's cute. So I totally skipped ahead. Tuesday is going to be a magazine work day. So maybe what I'll do is actually put my work plans and stuff over here, and then here will just be lists this week. So if I use, I can use this one. It's crooked, but it's okay. And then I think I have a book or something on here. Yeah. Oh, it's gray on gray again. Maybe I'll use this one. Mark my work day. Wednesday I also need to film. So I think I'm gonna grab this and put this here. Oh, that's not coming up. And I think I'll just write filming in there because I also have to film on Saturday, which I'm gonna use this for. And I will use my little camera. Just right there. Okay, and then Tuesday is trash day. That there. Thursday is going to be laundry day. Well, actually today, I'm filming this on Monday. Today is laundry day. Probably won't fold it until Thursday if I'm being honest. So let's just be honest about it and put that there. Okay. Just keeping it real. Okay. Tomorrow I also I'm gonna have to go do some groceries, which I'm not thrilled about, but I'm gonna need to because my daughter made a request for, oh, that's gonna look silly, for her birthday dinner. Maybe I'll put it here instead. No, I'll just leave it off. Okay, anything else on the weekend? Probably some editing. Can use the computer. I think that's it. Okay, so over here, I want to use this for, I'm gonna put my to-do list down. I'm gonna do the full strip. Okay, and then we'll use our this week flag here. And I'm gonna write in what we're doing for homeschooling each day. And then on this side, I think I'm going to put, I'm gonna use that for my grocery list. So I'm going to put this here. Shopping day, that's a bit crooked, but it's okay. Oh, that's not gonna. So over here, I'm gonna make this like a little to-do area, just so I can jot down notes, because there are gonna be things that I still need to do for school this week. Oh, and then actually, let's do, because we won't have school on Saturday or Sunday, so let's put this here. Actually, I think I want to take this up. Oh no, there. Just to here. Okay, and those can be goals for this week. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the pen now, and I will be right back. Okay, so there you have it, my up-to-date and completed Hobonichi week spread for the week of March 30th to April 5th. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram at A Pretty Plantscape. I'll see you all again soon.